Dear students, I welcome all of you to my educational YouTube channel Guneswar Kalita tutorial. Students, first of all I request all of you to subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet. To subscribe, please press at the subscribe and then again press at the button to all for notification. Students, today I am going to discuss tense practice questions on present tense. Question number 1. Underline the verb and state the tense of each underlined verb. I am looking at the landscape. So, am looking, we are to underline here at am looking, and am looking, it is present continuous form or present continuous tense. Number B, the old man is snoring loudly. Snoring means making sound loudly by nose. The old man is snoring loudly. So, is snoring, it's present continuous tense. Number C, he does yoga regularly. So, students, in present tense, simple present tense, after the verb s or es is added. So, do is the verb he does. So, it's simple present tense. Number D, she is dreaming of traveling in space. So students, is dreaming, it's present continuous tense. Next, number E, the laborers are toiling hard. So students are toiling, it's in present continuous tense. Number F, the tortoise is sleeping in its shell. ITS, its shell. So is sleeping, it's present continuous tense. Now students, the city wears a deserted book. So wears, simple present tense. Sita is learning paragliding these days. So is learning, it's present continuous tense. Now students, the mechanic has tried his best to repair the bike but to no avail. So has tried, it's present perfect tense. Now students, number J, the bell rings after every period. So rings, it's simple present tense. SS is added after S. So students, question number 2, use the appropriate form of be and have in the following sentences. Number 1, they dash be planning to watch the match on television. So students, so here they are planning to watch the match on television. So students, you know, be is a verb in present form. It has 3 states. Be, am, is, are, or is, am, are. In past tense, it has 2 forms. Was, were. Past participle, been. Present participle, being. Now students, number 2, I dash be going to nearby park. So students, I am going to the nearby park. Now students, number 3, Ragini dash have not broken this vase. So students, the answer is Ragini has not broken, it's present perfect tense, this vase. Now students, Sushil dash be an intelligent boy. So students, Sushil is, in present simple present tense, is an intelligent boy. Now students, they dash be questioning him. So students, they are questioning him. So simple present tense. Number 6, they be in a hurry. So students, it's also simple present tense, they are in a hurry. Number 7, you dash be a talented artist. So students, it is also simple present tense. You are a talented artist. Now students, number 8. You have contacted your friend, it seems. So students, the answer is you have contacted as present perfect tense. She does be going to Simla for a few weeks. So students, she is going to Simla means she will go to Simla for a few weeks. Now students, I have just made a cup of coffee. So students, the answer is you are to write I have just made a cup of coffee. Now students, question number 3. Fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs from the brackets. Number 8. Ganesh is having a good collection of storybooks. Means Ganesh, here the answer is Ganesh has a good collection of storybooks. Number B. The cake tastes is tasting delicious. The answer is the cake tastes delicious. So next, number C. He is wishes me luck for my new assignment. So the answer is he wishes me luck for my new assignment. Now students, number D. Mohan is forgetting his identity card every second day. So students, the answer is Mohan forgets his identity card every second day. Now students, number E. Naman dislikes his new classmate. Now so the answer is Naman dislikes his new classmate. Number F. I respecting my parents. So the answer is I respect my parents. So number G. Water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. The answer is water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Books be a storehouse of knowledge. KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. So the answer is books are a storehouse of knowledge. So number I. He is following the instruments given by his mother. So the answer is he is following the instrument given by his mother. This market does have many shops. So the answer is this market has many shops. We eat vegetarian food. So the answer is we eat vegetarian food. Next, number L. Children like to watch a magic. So the answer is children like to watch a magic show. Children like to watch a magic show. Number M. My grandmother take care of her health. So the answer is my grandmother takes care of her health. Now students, number 4. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verbs given in brackets. So the tense form is mentioned along with each sentence. Number 1. They join me for lunch today. Present continuous. So students, we are to make it a sentence of present continuous tense. So the answer is they are joining me for lunch today. Number 2. Boys love to fly kites. Within bracket love to play kites. A simple present tense. So the answer is boys love to play kites. Here in the blank space we will write love. But students, if it is given boy, then we will have to write loves. Now student, number 3. The sun rise in the east and dash set in the west. Simple present tense. So students, for simple present tense, after the verb s or es is added. So the answer is the sun rises, rises, rises in the east and sets, sets in the west. Now students, number 4, the theatre festival dash begin in the coming weekend. So in simple present tense, we have to make it simple present tense. The theatre festival begins. In blank space we have to write begins. Now students, number 5, my friend dash finish, within bracket finish reading the novel. So the answer is my friend, present perfect tense, my friend has finished reading the novel. Number 6, the sea waves dash lash on the seashore, present continuous. The sea waves is lashing on the seashore. Number 7, I dash write the letter and posted it, present perfect tense. So the answer is I have written, W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written the letter and posted it. Now students, now question number 5, fill in the blanks with have, having, see, looking, listen or hear. So students, here in the blank spaces we have to write by using have, having, see, looking, listen or hear. So number 1, my friends dash hear their own mobiles. So students, the answer is my friends have their own mobiles. Number 2, he is dash a healthy lunch. So students, here he is having a healthy lunch, means he is eating a healthy lunch. So number 3, I can dash the mountains from here. So the answer is I can see the mountain from here. I am dash at the salts on sale. I am looking at. So the answer is looking, LWKNG, looking at the salts on sale. Did you dash to all that he had to say? So the answer is did you see to all that he had to say? Sorry, did you hear to all that he had to say? She can dash the loud noise. So as loud noise is here, we have to write listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. She can listen the loud noise. Now students, number 6, fill in the blanks with verbs in the present perfect continuous tense form of verbs given in brackets. Number 1, Jeffrey Archer dash write a new novel for the last 1 year. So students, the answer is, as we have to make it present perfect continuous tense, Jeffrey Archer has been writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Here E will disappear. So Jeffrey Archer has been, H-A-S-B-E-N, been, H-A-S-B-E-N, has been, W-R-I-T-I-N-G, writing a new novel for the last 1 year. So students, number 2, Sagarika dash suffer from viral infection since last Saturday. So the answer is Sagarika has been suffering, S-U-F-F-E-R-I-N-G, suffering. Sagarika has, H-A-S-B-E-N, been suffering, S-U-F-F-E-R-I-N-G, from viral infection since last Saturday. Now students, number 3, the student does play cricket for the last 2 hours. So the answer is the student has been playing cricket for the last 2 years. So students, this much today. So thank you. All of you will listen this and subscribe my channel and press the bell icons to get all the notification. Thank you very much.